Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix where winds meet game not loading or stuck on loading screen on Android devices. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. For that, press the volume up plus power button. Now this step can vary from phone to phone. Now simply restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to check if you can play the game. If not, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store and in the search option search for where winds meet game, and here you have to check if any update is there. Update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game. If not, you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. Now this will force stop the app. Now after that, try to play the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you are suggested to go to storage and cache and then click on clear cache option, and once you cleared the cache of the particular game, now try to open the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to check if there is any internet problem. So if you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data and then check if the issue is fixed, or do vice versa and then try to launch the game and check. If not, you are suggested to install any VPN and then go ahead. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you are suggested to search for the VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any of them and after that change the location and then try to launch the game and then check if you can play it now. If not, if the issue continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then install it and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.